Hello everyone, today is Friday 23rd December and we are here for a daily market observation. So Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, it was a great volatility on account of weekly expiry yesterday, and Nifty target in a way is completed. Bank Nifty is way too weaker. So let us try to understand what do I mean by Bank Nifty is way too weaker. So if we look at, I was holding certain overnight positions, overnight short positions, and while I was expecting a bounce in market. So Nifty opened gap up, it completed this first target, and after completing this target, it just gave up. It just gave up and kept on falling. It kept on declining for the entire day. It was falling up till 11:15, 11:30 or so, and then from there we saw some kind of a relief bounce. Okay, this bounce also helped cool off the VIX a bit, but yes, at the same time the structure does not look very promising right now and it appears little weaker. If today we might can control the fall, if we can stop the fall somehow, and then if there is a bounce, then we can expect some kind of a relief in indices in the coming week, not today. So today there can be some pause to this fall, and from there we can expect the next leg of trades. Quickly taking you to the WhatsApp group, this was my first message. I mentioned next 2 days can be bullish with some targets around 18,300. So this 18,300 got completed in the open. Bank Nifty is weaker. Bank Nifty never ever ventured towards this target of 43,000. I will let go this bullish move and will not trade bullish trades. See, I have explained this reason in this WhatsApp group why I do not wish to trade these bullish trades. I will trade if I need to book my overnight positions. I will decide if I need to book my overnight positions basis the first 15-minute candle or later. See guys, this is always a good way to look at analyze market. I'll just explain this how to do this. Nifty target of 18,317 is done, and then it was expected to consolidate, but it started giving up. Then I mentioned that as per hourly chart, 7 out of 8 stocks are below 50 EMA. So that is not a great sign. See, only TCS was above 50 EMA. But rest all stocks, Reliance, HDFC Bank, Infosys, State Bank of India, Kotak Bank, HDFC Limited, ICICI Bank, they were below 50 EMA. We call them Ritics. Okay. So these are the stocks which were below 50 EMA. This was indicating weakness in the market, and this will continue to remain weak as long as these stocks are below 50 EMA. Okay, now here is my message that 9:40 AM one may put TSL or book profits. Booked options trade which were on overnight trades I booked. I was trading Nifty future short, so I booked that. It just one lot, and Bank Nifty one lot. This I covered. Then Nifty 18,100 put buy. This was part of the strangle that I was trading, a hedge for the strangle that I was trading. Then I booked that yesterday at 2:30. I think I had entered somewhere around 150, 170 I believe. And then Bank Nifty I was holding just 5 lots, so I booked that as well. It was a good day. Overall profit I would say about 0.5% of the total capital. So it was a good day. And even though the expectations were bullish, the market actually gave us good amount of conviction in the bearish trade, and all these things were very nice. See, booked all short, done for the day. It's about 11 o'clock, 10:45. See, this is one message which I want to show you. Hourly bullish divergence in both the indices. We may see 1 or 2 hourly bullish candles. This is a message at 12:26. Right, so 12:26 we were expecting 2 bullish candles, and very quickly if I can take you on hourly chart. See, the beauty about technical analysis is that 1240 we concluded that there should be two bullish candles, and there were two bullish candles in both the indices, and then we are again retracing back. Now there should be a follow up to these bullish candles ideally. Let's see where we open today. Looking at the international market, we might open gap down, and after gap down, if we sustain about these levels, then we might can consolidate or create some bounce here. But let's look at Nifty very quickly. Guys, now this level is our, you can say, make it or break it level. As long as we are above this level, then we can assume, we can expect that the market should trade above this. But if for some reason we break this, I expect that the weekly candle closing should be above these levels. 18,000 should never be breached. 18,000 level in total. We have a target here at 18,010. This is one of the target. It may be possible that this target will get completed, and then we should not break below 18,000 so soon, is what my expectation is. Okay, that's eventually going to happen in next week or so, next week or in New Year, I don't know. But at this point in time, ideally we should not break below 18,010. This is what my expectation is. I am not very keen on trading for bullish targets, because even if, let's say, someone thinks about trading a bullish target from here, the bullish target is going to be very small from this low of 18,066, current yesterday's low. We might see some move around 18,200. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So this can be one of the target that if we are looking at intraday targets, possible intraday targets, I will say. Again, guys, when I'm mentioning about these targets, I am not at all trading bullish trends, because current market trend is bearish. So there is no point in trading for a bullish retracement. And I'm hammering this again and again for the very simple reason. Many times when I talk about any bullish target, you might feel tempting. It may be tempting to you to trade for these targets. So ideally, I would not prefer to look for these targets. And if at all, if someone wish to trade, then the simplest method to trade would be if you just take a look at the opening candle. Let's say go to 3-minute chart, go to opening candle. So this is your opening candle. See, this is your opening candle. So opening candle, you keep a line here. Okay. Whenever this candle breaks on the upside or downside, so in this case, both the indices have broken below this level. So whenever a candle closes below this, you enter for a short. The high of this candle will be your stop loss, and then the trade will go on. Even in this retracement, you are still safe and will be able to trade for a little longer duration of time. Even if here you decide to book your profit, this is a fantastic 1:3, 1:4 risk to reward ratio. In Bank Nifty, the trade was even better. When breaking of this level, this was your stop loss, and then you just be there in the trade. The simple method to trade in intraday. I wish this should be very helpful to you. Follow this, and it's a very simple method by which you can create the trades. So we have discussed about Nifty here. The target can be around 18,183, and it should remain between this 18,183 and 18,066 is what my expectation for today's day. For Bank Nifty, it is being very underperformer, so none of the targets, price never looked towards these targets, to be very honest with you. It opened here and it just kept on falling. This is a mother candle now, and a high of this should be taken out for that particular bullishness. So I feel this can be the greatest retracement target for Bank Nifty. This is going to be a big hurdle for Bank Nifty. So I'll just remove all the rest of the things, the drama, the indicators, tools, because these targets are completed now. See guys, now here even if we see a bounce, see there will be a gap down opening. Now this low must be protected, just like Nifty. This low is crucial and this should be protected. this is going to give us a view. Let's say if breaks this, then the downtrend will continue and more lower levels will open up. But if as per this current Dow theory structure, if we open somewhere here and we tend to bounce from these levels, then in that case the immediate target will be 42,700. This is what my expectation is. Nothing spectacular, nothing more. This is the maximum. Above this level I will look for bullish trade. This is not a target one. I think I should clone this. Yeah, so this becomes my target. This is my target, 248. Okay, and this becomes, above this one should look for long. See, traders need to have sanity of their mind. I mean, it's market, na? There has to be randomness. We have to accept that randomness. So for a very simple reason, I am suggesting that above this I will look for long, but in my mind I am sure that I do not want to trade long at this point in time, because whatever is happening right now, we are going to see a high, then there will be a lower high, again a low, lower high, probably again a lower high somewhere, and then again a new lower low. So I will prefer to look for that lower high, and from that lower high I will love to look for a more downwardly move. As a result of this, all these scenarios, yesterday what has panned out, there are no open positions in my account, right? The account is totally without any positions, and I'm happy with this way. And I'm happy this way because I will have clarity of my mind. On this day today, I might not trade at all and will look for another opportunity to create a new trade, right? That's it for market क्या लगता है today on Friday 23rd of December. Thank you so much guys.